UNgqongqoshe uGodongwana usebenzise inkulumo yakhe ukuqhakambisa kakhulu ukubaluleka kokuthi amazwe atshale imali eNingizimu Afrika. Esigcawini senkulumo yokubonisana abesiqhubeka eRiyadh njengoba kuhlangene abaphathi bezinkampani ezinkulu kanye nosomnotho bamazwe omhlaba, uGodongwana ukhulume waveza izinselelo elakuleli elibhekene nazo. Okugqame kakhulu inkinga yogesi, ukulungisa kweziphehli zawo kanye nohlelo olucutshungulwayo logesi osebenzisa imisebe yelanga.
We will need about 1.5 trillion investment on renewables and clean technologies. So in that sense, we're beginning to say that's one of the areas that needs particular focus for us. And the second area which we have mentioned is logistics, which is a critical point. Again, there we've had a monopoly when now we're beginning to open that into private sector participation of a different kind.
Ngenyanga ezayo elakuleli lizophinde libe nethuba lapho lizozama khona ukuncenca abatshali imali ukuthi bafukule isikhwama sikahulumeni ukwelekelela uhlelo lokulungisa kwenqalasizinda yezwe.
In order to unlock that infrastructure, both in rail, ports, and so on. So part of what we're talking about is a massive investment by the private sector. That's why we've issued a private sector participation by the private sector in rail and in ports.
Lo mhlangano oqhubeka eSaudi Arabia uphinde wabhuka ngezimo ezifana nokudlondlobala kancane komnotho emhlabeni, ukwenyuka kwemali imboleko kanye nokumba eqolo kwalezo zinto ezizidingo nqangi.